Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Good morning. Just dropping in this video because I'm going to be replacing the lights in the signature touring today. That one. I got the back door ready. So, I went on Amazon and I bought these. This car still has all the incandescent bulbs. So, finally getting around to changing the interior lights on this one. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it and I'll be right back. Alright, everybody, welcome back. Got him in. The only ones I haven't done is the passenger doors and the handles. Those are the only ones I haven't done yet. But it's already looking a major difference in here. But that's going to do it, guys. Just want to drop in and let you know what's going on today with me. LEDs. You guys have a good one. Take care.